Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're totally rethinking the fundamental building blocks of biology.
Are your mitochondria just simple biological powerhouses, or incredibly advanced electrodynamical computing machines?
We're shifting paradigms today, ditching that squishy textbook biochemistry for some high-tech electrodynamics.
Think of an analog phase-locked loop. It's basically a clever circuit that perfectly synchronizes different signals.
Let's do a teardown, mapping microscopic cellular anatomy directly onto familiar electronic circuit components.
First up, ATP synthase. These biological rotors spin at a blinding 100 to 500 hertz. Loaded with protons, these ultra-fast spinning rings actually function exactly like powerful electromagnetic solenoids.
Meanwhile, the inner folds of your mitochondria, called cristae, act as perfectly tuned resonant cavities.
Just like blowing over a glass bottle makes a note, cellular geometry carefully tunes vibrations. Like a tight drumhead, the cristae's specific symmetrical shape only lets certain vibrational frequencies through.
Right at the cristae's neck sits the myocos complex. Think of it as a biological inductive choke.
It acts like a filter, providing dynamic inertia that fiercely resists any sudden electrical reversals. Zooming out, your electron transport chain serves as the whole system's reference oscillator and rectifier.
Together, they transform electron flow into powerful proton energy, basically acting like an operational amplifier.
If these components ever fall out of sync, standing waves of protons instantly broadcast the air.
This electromagnetic coupling forces adjacent structures to align, creating instant global synchronization across the cell. So, here's the million-dollar question. Could this microscopic biological machinery fundamentally redefine artificial intelligence?
Modern AI drains massive power grids, but nature literally solved computation using ultra-low power bioenergetics.
We usually separate squishy biology from rigid silicon, but what if our biological substrate directly computes?
This aperiodic cellular clock might just be the actual blueprint for true artificial general intelligence. Researchers are actively hunting for these ultrasonic wave patterns to prove this truly revolutionary framework. So I leave you with this wild thought. What kind of software is truly running your biology?